There are many more positive effects on the brain as well. If I have to enlist all of them, it will take a lot of time, but I'll surely share a few benefits that has been studied, as people are very big fan of science and they are studying, they are reviewing each and every claims made by us everywhere in the world. So the one of the study I would like to share here is UCLA. The study was done at UCLA. The long-term meditators have shown a better preserved brains. Okay, so your brain is preserved from what? From aging. Okay, so you're not aging as fast as the other people around you are. Okay, you are getting the point. If you're not aging, that means your brain is still showing that much efficiency. It's working at the peak level, though your body has stopped working at that particular level. So the UCLA study has reported that they have better preserved gray matters. Okay, there are a few studies that shows the brain is not aging faster, or the people who are regular meditators are, we can say, preserving their brain's ability to work at an immensely beautiful levels. Okay, so if your brains are healthy, so your body and your mind and the whole that we call me is going to be healthy, isn't it? Also, one of the study at Johns Hopkins has reported that the antidepressant effect of the meditation. Okay, the effect shown by the antidepressant drugs that people are taking all over the world is almost equal. I won't be saying that it's 100% equal to it, but almost equal to the effect of meditation on a regular basis. So if you find yourself at a dull moment each and every time, you better start meditating, because these dull moments creates a sad phase in your life. That sad phase leads to the depression, and that depression causes you n number of problems throughout your life. So it's better option for that, instead of taking the antidepressant when you are finally diagnosed with the depression clinically. You better start meditating, because meditation can stop you from getting to that level. And the other things I would like to quote here would be improved attention span, improved concentration. Today, nowadays there are many more research that human attention time span and concentration time span is less than 8 minutes. Okay, we got our notifications, we got phone calls, we are so busy and so engrossed in the world of technology that our attention span is reducing day by day. One of the beautiful example I would like to share all the time, the TikTok is more successful than the YouTube. Now, in the short period of time, not completely, don't go into the statistics and all, but TikTok had much more reach. Okay, the TikTok had much more audience than the YouTube as well, if we compared the time span they have taken to get that much attention from all the users around the world. So that is also one of the classic example of reduced time span of attention and concentration. Having said that, the meditation will also help you to reduce the anxiety, because you are more present in the present moment, physically, emotionally, mentally. It is going to help you in staying at the present moment at the given point of a time. That will also reduce your anxieties, worries, and each and every moment that you have gone through, that we beautifully called as past. So we are also not engrossed in the past moments. We are also not worried about the future. We are pretty more settled in the present, and that is also most beautiful feeling and most fantastic experience that you can have out of meditation. So basically all these things are going to help your brain staying healthy and staying active for the long time, and you will enjoy the benefit of it each and every moment of your life.